Hello and welcome. You're tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of December, Part 2. December 17, Christmas Bazaar. Holy Cross College organized Christmas Bazaar 2025 under the auspices of the Deanery of Entrepreneurship and Career Development. The event was inaugurated with a ribbon-cutting ceremony by Dr. Prakash Vincent, Dean of Sciences, Manonmaniam Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli, and Dr. Rajashekar, Associate Professor, ST Hindu College, Nagercoil, in the presence of Dr. S. Sahaya Selvi, the principal. A total of 94 stalls were set up by student entrepreneurs. The bazaar provided a vibrant platform for students to showcase their creativity and entrepreneurial skills while promoting practical exposure to marketing, teamwork, and financial management. The Department of Commerce won the rolling trophy for setting up the maximum number of stalls, and cash prizes were awarded for the best stalls. December 19, Nature Walk. The National Service Scheme of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, Units 239 and 240, in collaboration with the Tamil Nadu Science Forum, organized a nature walk in the Kalikesam region. During the program, nature and forest conservation enthusiasts Mr. Vinod and Mrs. Mati addressed the students on issues such as the destruction of forests due to modern development, the struggle of wildlife for food, and the harmful impact of tourism on forest ecosystems. The district-level representatives of the Tamil Nadu Science Forum, Mr. Sasikumar and Mr. Janith, explained how one should behave while walking in forest areas and how silent walking helps in experiencing and understanding nature more deeply. As part of the initiative, the NSS volunteers also removed plastic waste from the forest area, promoting environmental responsibility. On the same day, the Electoral Literacy Club of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil organized an orientation-cum-instruction program on voter ID form number 6 filling. The program was conducted with the objective of creating awareness among students about the importance of voter registration and guiding them on the correct procedure for filling form number 6. Around 100 students actively participated in the session. The event was further strengthened by the presence of 4 booth-level officers who offered practical and hands-on guidance to the students. The booth-level officers explained the eligibility criteria, required documents, and step-by-step procedures involved in filling voter ID form number 6. The program was highly interactive, allowing students to clarify their doubts directly with the BLOs. The practical guidance provided helped students gain confidence in filling the form accurately and reinforce the importance of becoming responsible voters. December 22, Interdepartmental Crib Competitions. The campus animation team of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil organized an interdepartmental crib competition in the college campus. The competition was held with the theme Samathuvame Yesubalan Pirappidam, highlighting the message of equality and harmony symbolized by the birth of Jesus Christ. A total of 16 teams from various departments participated enthusiastically, presenting creatively designed cribs that reflected the central theme. The event promoted creativity, teamwork, and interdepartmental interaction while reinforcing the values of peace, unity, and inclusiveness associated with the Christmas season. Spreading cheer, Christmas festivities across departments. Festive cheer and creativity filled the campus of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil as various departments came together to celebrate Christmas through a series of inter-class competitions, fostering unity, teamwork, and joyful participation among students. The PG and Research Department of English organized Winter Wonderland, an inter-class competition that transformed UG and PG classrooms into vibrant Christmas spaces. The classrooms were beautifully decorated with festive themes, innovative message boards, and eco-friendly crafts. The event encouraged creativity and collaboration, while melodious Christmas carols added warmth and festive spirit throughout the department. As part of the Christmas celebrations, the PG and Research Department of Economics conducted Econ Bells 2025. Inter-class competitions such as Christmas star making and Christmas tree making were held in rooms 88 and 89. Students showcased their artistic talents using innovative and eco-friendly materials. The program promoted teamwork and festive enthusiasm, concluding with the distribution of prizes to the best performers. Adding to the celebrations, the Department of English Literature with Media Communications, in collaboration with the Media Studies Club and the Media Muse Club, organized Christmas Eve Fiesta 25. Competitions included Christmas decorations, Christmas tree decoration, reel making, and greeting card making. The competitions inspired creativity, teamwork, and festive enthusiasm among students. Overall, the Christmas competitions across departments beautifully reflected the spirit of the season, strengthening interdepartmental bonding and creating a joyful and memorable campus celebration. As part of the Christmas celebrations for the academic year 2025-2026, Holy Cross College Nagercoil organized a series of charity and community outreach programs under the term Joy of Sharing. The initiative reflected the institution's strong commitment to social responsibility, compassion, and inclusive development. Faculty and students from various departments visited government schools, children's homes, destitute homes, homes for the mentally ill, cancer patients, and economically disadvantaged individuals in and around Nagercoil. Through these visits, material support, financial assistance, and emotional encouragement were extended to the underprivileged. The college contributed a total amount of Rs 1,59,717, ensuring that the joy of Christmas reached those in need. The Joy of Sharing initiative highlighted the spirit of generosity at Holy Cross College and reinforced the belief that education finds its true purpose in service to humanity. December 23. Lighting hearts and minds, Christmas celebrated at Holy Cross College. Holy Cross College Nagercoil celebrated Christmas with great joy and reverence through a Christmas Day celebration. The program reflected the spirit of love, peace, and togetherness associated with Christmas season. The program reflected the spirit of love, peace, and togetherness associated with the Christmas season. The event was graced by the presence of Chief Guest Reverend Father Anthony Sahaya Anand A., Vicar Foreign of Kotar Vicariate Cathedral of St. Francis Xavier, Kotar, Nagercoil. His address inspired the gathering with meaningful reflections on faith, compassion, and service. The program brought together faculty members, students, and staff, creating a festive atmosphere filled with joy and unity. The Christmas Day celebration stood as a reminder of the true essence of Christmas, sharing love, spreading hope, and nurturing harmony within the academic community. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.